I'm gonna get baptized today. Can't believe that this is really happening, so I'm very excited and can't wait.
I'm asking him to process some of the things that he knows Jesus has saved him from. I want him to recall. I want him to kind of go back down memory lane and think about some of those valley moments, even some of the mountaintop moments. Without God, there are very few things that are possible. But with God, Scripture teaches us all things are possible to those that believe. And so I'm walking him and her through that process along with my wife and getting them to remember, recall, reflect. Close your eyes. I want you to envision, some of the things that God has brought you through and delivered you from.
God bless you. Share and subscribe.